How to convert videos into English with AI. If you're wondering why I've suddenly started speaking in English, well, I was just as surprised. My team used an amazing tool called HeyGen AI to convert this video. And today I'm super excited to share this tool with you guys. I know many of you in Pakistan want to create content for international audiences, but might struggle with the language barrier. Well, HeyGen AI can help you out with that. So what exactly is HeyGen AI? It's a tool that easily converts your videos into different languages, including English. The best part is, it's super simple and easy to use. Let me show you how to use this tool step by step. Go to the HeyGen AI website. Upload the video you want to convert. Select the language you want to translate your video into, in this case, English. Hit Convert, and watch the magic happen. The AI takes care of the rest, and in just a few moments, your video will be available in the selected language. The best part is that you can test out this tool for free. HeyGen AI lets you convert up to 3 videos at no cost. After that, if you want the full professional experience with more features and unlimited conversions, you can upgrade to the paid version. This tool is a game changer for content creators, especially for those of you in Pakistan who want to create videos for audiences abroad, but don't speak the language. HeyGen AI will handle the translation, allowing you to reach a global audience with ease. So that's how you can easily convert your videos into English or any other language using HeyGen AI. It's perfect for creators who want to expand their reach globally without worrying about language barriers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Try out HeyGen AI for free and let me know in the comments what you think of this tool.